Yes,
Right.
this is quite
Okay, right. I'll
old,
let you.
isn't it?
No, right, fabulous.
Look,
Oh, yeah.
this is the symbol of our society. It's a parrot. And Janet and Rodney, who were the father and mother of the society, they decided that this parrot would be our mascot, the symbol of the society. So each year, when we decided to have a president, we transmitted the parrot to the new president, being very careful not to break the parrot. And fortunately, he's still alive after nearly 17 years. And I have got this parrot at home for 1 year, and I was very anxious about what could happen to him. All right? So, look at this beautiful bird, symbol of our society. Repeating when we teach, Teaching is a constant repeating. This is why he's so important for us.
Has this been created just for
No,
the society?
no,
or is
not
that
at all,
like-
not at all. The founders of the society, the Janet husband and Rodney Resnick and some other very famous radiologists, I think it was in 1998, were talking about a new society, which would be the Society for Cancer Imaging. And they were talking of that in an Italian resto, and on the table, this was a parrot, the parrot was on the table. And so Janet asked the owner if it was possible to get this parrot. And the owner didn't want to give it, but finally he did. And so this is when the society was born, It was born at that time, and with a parrot as a symbol.